What worries you, masters you. I have no reason to suppose that he who would take away my liberty would not, when he had me in his power, take away everything else. The most precious of all possessions is power over ourselves. Don't let the things you don't have prevent you from using what you do have. Our incomes are like our shoes. If too small, they gall and pinch us, but if too large, they cause us to stumble and to trip. Liberty is to be free from restraint and violence from others. Reading furnishes the mind only with materials of knowledge. It is thinking that makes what we read ours. Education begins the gentleman, but reading, good company, and reflection must finish him. Revolt is the right of the people. There is frequently more to be learned from the unexpected question of a child than the discourses of men. The people cannot delegate to government the power to do anything which would be unlawful for them to do themselves. I have always thought the actions of the men best interpreters of their thoughts. It is one thing to show a man that he is an error and another to put him position of the truth. With books we stand on the shoulders of giants. When we know our own strength, we shall the better know what to undertake with hopes of success. No man's knowledge here can go beyond his experience. Individuals have the right to defend themselves and recover by force what by unlawful force is taken from them. All mankind being all equal and independent, no one ought to harm another in his life, health, liberty, or positions.